MP Production.
They say you are the grandson that changes everything. They say you are responsible for the whole family. So now I'm paving the way, I'm making the way for the next generation. I cannot fail, put you to shame, I gotta stay persistent. I'm giving all that I got, and I won't stop till I got it. The only way to stop the mission is when I'm laying down in the prayer. I started off from the ground, so I had to suffer the pain. Somebody had to make the sacrifice. Those after me remember the name. Bloodline is dying, I gotta save it, I gotta revive it. All the walls are falling down, back home I gotta hustle hard.
Ngibuye ekhaya, into engiyenzile ngenzela izikhuphuko kwentaba, ngeke balungele mpinde isebenze. Umama wami uzeliqhawe, ugogo wami abembomba yathokoza, ifamily yami ijabulile, ifamily yami ijonge kum. Dala bajonge kuwe, mina ngijonge kuwe. Dala bajonge kuwe, mina ngijonge kuwe. Ngibuye ekhaya, ngibuye ekhaya. Dala bajonge kuwe, mina ngijonge kuwe. Dala bajonge kuwe, mina ngijonge kuwe. Ngibuye ekhaya, ngibuye ekhaya. Dala bajonge kuwe, mina ngijonge kuwe. Dala bajonge kuwe, mina ngijonge kuwe. Ngibuye ekhaya, ngibuye ekhaya. Ijabuli, ifamily, ijonge kuwe.